Tom Jones, singing gospel. Sounds so good. Good morning.
Thank you. Good morning.
Where did your love of this music come from? Because really, it's not what you would expect from someone from Wales, which is not exactly the gospel capital of the world.
No. Well, I was listening to it on the radio when I was growing up. In Wales, we had the BBC radio, and they used to play a bunch of things, you know, a lot of different things. And any time a blues song would come on or a gospel song would come on, as a child, you know, it would perk me up. And then I realized that a lot of the gospel songs that turned into gospel songs were really hymns, you know, British hymns. So I was singing those hymns in a Presbyterian chapel on a Sunday. So I got into, you know, I loved spiritual music, and finally I've got a chance to record it.
And I read that you used to sing gospel music with Elvis when you two were on tour in Vegas. Is that true?
Yes.
What songs did you sing, and was he surprised that you were a gospel fan?
Well, he was surprised that I knew so many songs. But I was at Caesar's Palace in those days, and Elvis was at the Hilton. And after we would finish the shows, we would go back to Elvis's suite, and he would bring his musicians upstairs, you know, and we would sing gospel songs. Elvis loved gospel music more than anything else. So I used to join in on some. The ones I knew, I would. And one of the songs on the album that we did is called Run On. And that was when Elvis was singing it, I would jump in, you know. So
must have sounded so good.
Yeah, and he said, you should record that. And I said, I will one day.